Woo, woo, woo.
The cows over there look like mother and daughter.
I know, right?
Yes.
Woo, woo, woo. Carly, what does a cow say? What's a cow say? You're not gonna say it? What about a dog? Dog says woo. And it's a cow, yeah. It's good. What's a cow say? Me.
Let's see your feet again. I want to see those socks.
Say, yeah, I got fancy socks. Woo, they're purple and green. Whoa. Say, Grandma got me those socks.
Green. They're really fancy.
Uh-oh. You okay? Got it? Good job. What a big girl. There you go. Lorraine will fix you up. Say thank you, Lorraine. Dong, dong. Yeah. Uh-oh, where's your orange? And your moo? Your cow? You see your cow over there? Yeah, there he is. Cow. You're funny. How's your raisins? Yeah, there's a raisin. Very good. Carly likes raisins. Whoa. Now your hand's stuck. How are you going to get it out? Would you like to get down? No. You need help?